बजट आया इस बार, उसको हमने लाइव डब किया सर। 2 घंटे का बजट हिंदी और कन्नड़ा में लाइव डब आया।
साथियों नमस्कार, जय भारत जय निताई। आज हम यहाँ ग्लोबल इंडिया एआई इम्पैक्ट समिट में हैं, जहाँ पूरी पृथ्वी के 100+ कंट्रीज के लोग आए हुए हैं। So it's a global AI impact summit where Nitai Group participated at global level, and we are here meeting with different global delegates and global leaders in India AI Summit.
हम भारत का पहला वॉइस टू वॉइस मॉडल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं।
इंडिया एआई समिट रजिस्ट्रेशन काउंटर, जय निताई इंडिया एआई मिशन हॉल 4 में ये काफ़ी सारे ग्रुप्स हैं। TIC सिंपली स्मार्ट, वर्ल्ड फास्टेस्ट एआई प्लेटफॉर्म मेड इन इंडिया, ट्रस्टेड बाय मैनी ग्लोबल कंपनीज। दीज आर दी मल्टीपल स्टॉल्स फ्रॉम पीपल फ्रॉम अक्रॉस दी कंट्री हैव कम हियर। और ये TIC ग्रुप और ये है पूरा इंडिया एआई मिशन। People from all the country have come here, gathered here in this pavilion. This is Access India और ये है Sovereign AI, ESBS. And these are the different companies from across the country. सर्वजन हिताय, सर्वजन सुखाय। और ये है लॉजिस्टिक कंपनी। एंड दिस इज द समिट हॉल कॉन्फ्रेंस नंबर 3, एंड दिस इज सेंटर फॉर रेलवे इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम एंड इंडिया। और ये है मध्य प्रदेश, भारत का हृदय स्थल मध्य प्रदेश का स्टॉल। एंड दिस इज इंडिया टेक स्टॉल, इंडिया टेक स्टॉल। और ये मध्य प्रदेश के सभी स्टार्टअप, निताई एआई इकोसिस्टम। और ये है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट। एंड दिस इज गिट हब। और यहाँ पर हॉल 2, एंड दिस इज कंप्लीट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स। दिस इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स, एआई फॉर गवर्नेंस, एआई चैटबॉट, स्किलिंग एंड सेंटर। और ये है गुजरात गवर्नमेंट, द लैंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट, गुजरात गवर्नमेंट। एंड दिस इज गोवा स्टेट, एंड all the state from the India has participated. This is Bhil, this is Tamil Nadu, and
welcome my senior colleague Vic Malayala, functions as the president of
choices as you go about buying a product, right? And then you use it, and if you need some help, ask and explore. And this is just
Let's go. Like back in the days, like all of these models were even very bad in French, to be fair, right? Like so, and we started doing the 7B models because this was the only way we could actually start. So this was the problem. How many actual public servants are there in France? 6 million. Cloud code, we can have like Lushava, Mistral, whichever.
This already. Just first comment on the AI Gigafactory and the R&D. So we're just, Finland has not just invested on.
Extremely grateful to the Heritage Foundation in the US because several of our alumni have been able to contribute and make Bharatjan an international effort.
this is Google, and this is Tata ecosystem, complete Tata ecosystem. And here is a Google ecosystem, AI cricket coach. This is NVIDIA ecosystem. This is NVIDIA. This is Google, AI for growth and innovation, AI for learning and skilling, agriculture understanding platform, open network stock, WeatherNext 2, guided learning in Germany, notebook LM, Google Gemini, ONDC powered My Store, Mitra AI bot, Alpha Fold 3, Arogya Map, Medigama, Indus Dharma, all this is Google ecosystem. AI for everyone, AI for health, AI for everyone, AI for growth and innovation. This is AI Impact Summit, a lot of launch, a lot of AI capabilities, a lot of things are there. This is HP AI PC, future ready workspace, and lot of delegates from across the world. Railway Corporation, AI for inclusive development, Education Ministry, Skill Development Ministry, future of workforce, assured AI infrastructure, and this is Ministry of Agriculture, भारत सरकार कृषि मंत्रालय, कौशल विकास और उद्यमिता मंत्रालय, और ये है शान AI, आइरिस AI, पूरी दुनिया भर से AI लीडर यहाँ आए हुए हैं.
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी और ऐतिहासिक AI इम्पैक्ट समिट में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन है. ग्लोबल AI इकोसिस्टम के लीडर्स और इनोवेटर्स का इस समिट में स्वागत करता हूं. आमतौर पर नई टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर कुछ लोगों में शुरुआती में संदेह होता है, लेकिन जिस तेजी और भरोसे के साथ दुनिया की युवा पीढ़ी AI को स्वीकार कर रही है, उसकी ओनरशिप ले रही है, AI का इस्तेमाल कर रही है, वो अभूतपूर्व है.
The Global AI Impact Summit is a defining moment in India's tech history.
People don't adopt a technology that they are scared of. Again, India has huge advantages here. At a time of mounting AI pessimism in the West, this nation stands out for the fact
to build AI that is truly helpful for everyone, we must pursue it boldly, approach it responsibly, and work through this defining moment together. Why bold? Because AI can improve billions of lives and solve some of the hardest problems in science. For 50 years, didn't just win a Nobel Prize, antibiotic resistance, and much more.
Hello friends, we have one of the AI leader from Argentina. So sir, introduce yourself and about your project.
My name is Guido Iveta, I'm from Argentina.
Okay, great.
And our poster is about a very large-scale data set that we have built last year.
Okay.
It's called Heseia.
Great.
And this data set is made by high school teachers and students from Argentina, from our province.
Okay.
And what we did was we involved over 5,500 teachers and students in a course where they learned about language models, and through one of the activities involved, they created a data set of over 45,000 stereotype data sets.
That's great. And what do you do at present? Like you are in university or what?
Yeah, I'm a PhD student at the university.
In which topic you are doing PhD?
In AI ethics and data set creation.
Oh, that's great. I am also PhD scholar in the role of AI in agriculture in India.
That's very
So
good.
nice meeting you. Thank you and welcome to India. हमारे बीच में है कौशल बोरकर, जो कि इंडिया AI मिशन में हम लोग यहाँ मिले, और उनका रिसर्च पेपर है नो प्रॉम्प्टिंग फ्रोजन फाउंडेशन मॉडल इंटरेक्टिव मेडिकल वॉल्यूम सेगमेंटेशन यूजिंग कंटिन्यूअल टेस्ट टाइम एडॉप्शन. तो कौशल जी, जस्ट लेट अस नो इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएं क्या है.
मतलब मेनली होता ये है कि जब हम लोग मेडिकल वॉल्यूम में सेगमेंटेशन करते हैं
जी,
तब हमारे जो मॉडल्स होते हैं वो यूजुअली फ्रोजन अप होते हैं.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि वो किसी और डेटा सेट पर ट्रेन किया गया है उनको, और जब हम लोग उनको फील्ड में यूज़ करते हैं तो फिर हम लोग को जो रिजल्ट आते हैं वो सही रिजल्ट नहीं आते. तो उस टाइम क्या करना होता है, मतलब उस टाइम हम लोगों ने जो यहाँ पे रिजल्ट निकाले हैं उसके हिसाब से हम लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि अगर कोई मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट
जी
एट दैट टाइम सेगमेंटेशन जब रिजल्ट आते हैं उसमें अगर हम लोगों ने थोड़ा भी रिजल्ट में थोड़ा चेंज किया जो मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट को चाहिए, उसमें उस चेंजेस को यूज़ करके हमारा मॉडल अपने आप अडॉप्ट कर लेगा और फ्यूचर में जो मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट है उनको फिर से वही सेम चीज़ें दिखानी नहीं पड़ेगी, मतलब फिर से वही स्क्रिप्ट नहीं करने पड़ेंगे।
तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा मॉडल है आपका, बहुत अच्छा लगा है मिलके एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, नाइस मीटिंग यू। So sir, kindly explain that what is this about yourself and your model?
Sure. So this is a part of the research paper called prior prompt engineering for reinforcement fine-tuning.
Okay.
Usually, when I say about a reasoning model that able to think very long,
correct,
where is the origin of this kind of behavior? Because if you look at the training setup, model is optimized for high performance, but not the behavior. Actually, the BS stems from the instruction. Because you instruct the model to think before answer. That's why it spends time thinking very long.
That's great.
But the model is still LM, right? Can we just ask it to do something else? We can prompt it, right? So that is what this paper tries to answer. Can we just ask it to do something else? For example, to plan in his of thinking or to code in his of thinking. And the answer that we found is that yes, when we change instruction, keeping all the setup the same, the model has different type of behaviors, and also different trend of performance.
Great.
So this is like prompt engineering, but in his of for inference, it for training.
Great. You are from which organization?
I'm for SCP Data X.
Okay,
Yeah,
from
it's
Thailand.
From Thailand.
And your good name?
My name is Kitawat Tawikit Prashai.
Okay, thank you. So nice meeting you and welcome to India. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have our great AI leaders from Italy. So sir, kindly give your introduction and your feelings about India and how AI can impact in the world. Sir.
I pass the word to my colleague Steve.
Yes.
And I'm ready to.
Okay, sir. What are your words regarding India and AI impact in global?
Well, nice place. Thank you for coming us here in New Delhi. I'm very glad to be here.
Yes.
It's a very nice place. We hope we can see something new, something inspirational on this trade show. We'll see. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And we are from Nitai Group. We are working globally. And we are working in the field of AI for agriculture, AI for health, AI in education, agriculture, MSME. So we are working in India and across the country. Hope we will meet in Italy also.
Okay.
Thank you.
All the
Nice
best.
meeting. So we are here at France Pavilion in India AI Mission. So sir, kindly introduce about yourself and your company.
So I'm Morgan Atias, I'm the head of innovation, and Ecotel is an IT services and software vendor.
Yeah.
And we are cooperating between France and India to create good innovation.
Okay. Great. So thank you, sir. Nice meeting you and welcome to India. Wish you all the best. We have Mr. Michael Potfield from UK and he is from UK government. So sir, kindly explain us about this concept.
Yeah, so we're the incubator for AI in the Department for Science.
Okay.
We're interested in building a better Britain with AI.
Oh, that's great.
So health, education, you name it, bringing together AI companies and technologists to build things.
So you are working for entire UK, developing the UK ecosystem.
Exactly.
Okay, that's great and nice to meet you. Wish you all the best and welcome to India.
Thank you very much.
We have Mr. Elliot from France and he is one of the co-founder of BRED, Soil Technology, and he is leading in soil technology, which is for climate change very important in this global AI era. So yeah, Elliot, kindly explain what you do and what motivates you to start this startup.
So we are building a decision helping tool for small farmers using this probe that we built. So it collects temperature and humidity data at 2 levels of depth in the soil.
Okay.
With these 2 fits.
Great.
And in the air too. So the probe is autonomous. It's planted in the field and you leave it there. It collects the data once every hour and send them to the cloud, and the user can see everything on mobile app. The probe can last up to 2 years on battery. You don't have to change anything.
Great.
You don't have to touch it.
Yeah, that's great. So it's nice meeting you, and we are also working in the field of AI and agriculture. So it would be happy to connect you and collaborate with you. So we will collaborate together with Nitai AI ecosystem and we will support you in across the country.
Of course, thank you.
Yeah, thank you and most welcome to India. We have Mr. Tom Romanoff from Association of Computing Machinery. So sir, kindly let us know about yourself and this organization.
Sure. Hi everybody, my name is Tom Romanoff. I'm the Director of Global Policy for ACM. ACM is the largest computer science society in the world with over 100,000 members worldwide.
That's great.
And a lot of academic publications around AI.
Great.
That's why we're
So
here.
nice meeting you and wish you all the best and welcome to India. We have Mr. Young Sung Woo, research and development partner in India. We met here. So sir, say something about yourself, your company.
Yeah, our company is about the startup education and incubating company.
Okay.
And I managing whole the education programs and the curriculum about the startup.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That's great.
Yeah.
So like in a startup, what basically in curriculum is what is being taught in short?
There's some steps, and we also have LMS, which is learning management system.
Okay.
So this system also operating by AI. So
Okay.
when the startup founders have some question or if they wanna learn something,
Right.
they can just using AI chatbot with
Okay.
our LMS. and
Great.
then, yeah, they can
So
learn
that's
whatever
great.
they want.
Great initiative. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
We have one of the global leaders from Meta. So sir, one message for the people of India in this AI age.
Thank you so much for hosting us for this summit and for being such a great place for innovation and for showing the value of AI for everyone.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir, and welcome to India.
Thank you.
Sir, so kindly introduce yourself and about this mission and your startup.
Hi, I'm Shahid. I work at Nora Health and we support family caregivers of patients.
Okay, great. Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you. This is Africa AI Village powered by Gates Foundation and Africa AI Village. So these are the things which are here. Let's go cashless. So Gates Foundation initiated AI Village Africa. This we can see the nice village, and these are the people from Africa, and they are explaining about AI Africa AI Village. So sir, what this village all about is?
So this village is a combination of startups from Africa, across Africa, from Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda.
Okay.
So that's in different tech space. Here you are starting AI from Tanzania that we are doing cervical cancer screening by using AI.
Great.
So to make it fast, accurate, and affordable.
Great, great.
Yeah.
So nice meeting you, and how you are feeling here in India?
I think this is another experience. It's a very huge experience, and I'm really exploring a lot. I'm learning a lot and meeting new people.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nice meeting. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे बीच में शिवानी जी हैं कीवो से, और हम लोग यहाँ इंडिया एआई समिट में मिले और यहाँ पर एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया है इनकी कंपनी में। तो मैम थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में बता दें, फिर उसका हम डेमो देखेंगे।
सभी को नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शिवानी है और मैं यहाँ पे कीबो टीम से हूँ। कीबो जो है वो एक एक्रोनिम है, नॉलेज इन अ बॉक्स, जो कोई भी प्रिंटेड हैंड रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट को स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, एआई लैब्स, लैंग्वेज लैब्स में ये डिप्लॉय होता है, जहाँ पे आप डॉक्यूमेंट्स को रियल टाइम में सुन सकते हैं, ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं, डिजिटाइज कर सकते हैं, ऑडियोटाइज कर सकते हैं। ताकि स्टूडेंट्स इसको जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको लैंग्वेज बैरियर है, लिटरेसी बैरियर है या डिसेबिलिटी बैरियर है, वो भी अपने एजुकेशन को आसानी से पढ़ सकते हैं।
शिवानी जी, हम लोगों ने निताई एआई इकोसिस्टम के माध्यम से वी हैव स्टार्टेड एआई फ्रेंचाइजी अक्रॉस द कंट्री, सो योर प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी ग्रेट एंड वी विल कोलैबोरेट एंड प्रमोट इट अक्रॉस द कंट्री। We have Mr. Siddharth Dehruji, and he is basically started his company from okay. So sir, kindly explain about this company.
Basically, we are Godtech and we are based out of India.
Okay. Right.
Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Kochi.
Okay.
A small office in Assam and also in Delhi and Bombay.
Right.
And we are here to represent the AI Summit in New Delhi.
We have one of the professor from MIT, which is one of the best university in the world, and here at India AI Mission, we met her that people can meet easily. So ma'am, one message for the rural people of the India in this AI era.
You are part of the AI revolution. Be part of shaping it, not just using it.
Correct. Thank you very much. We have the leader from Google. Sir, one message for the people of India from your side. Small.
Be curious and please sort of invest in learning.
Thank you very much. Ma'am, kindly introduce yourself and what are your experience here in India in this AI Impact Summit?
Hi, I'm Bonnie Croft. I'm Managing Director of AI for Science at Microsoft Research.
Okay.
Very happy to be here in India. Love India. It's a wonderful country, full of reality.
And ma'am, one message that how in this AI era the rural people of India or across the world can be benefited, and how should they come up ahead in this AI era?
Well, I think in this AI era, there's an opportunity for India to capitalize on using tools for solutions. So thinking about what are the key problems that you're facing within India, and using AI as a tool to help solve some of those.
AI मिशन में विजिट किया और देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पर रॉबिन राय जी हैं जो इंडियन नेवी से हैं, रोशन राय जो इंडियन नेवी से हैं, और यहाँ पर इन्होंने अपना एक R&D प्रेजेंट किया है। तो सर थोड़ा बताइए इसके प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, ये क्या है एंड व्हाट इट डज।
जेनरेटिव मॉडल्स के ऊपर हमारा जो काम किया है
जी
IIT हैदराबाद।
ओके,
जेनरेटिव मॉडल्स जो है, जो भी इमेज जनरेशन टूल अभी आप ChatGPT जेमिनी में यूज़ करते हैं,
जी
वो सब एक तरीके का जेनरेटिव मॉडल है।
राइट,
स्टार्ट हुआ था ज्ञान से।
ओके,
फॉर द लास्ट 10 years दिस मॉडल्स हैव इवॉल्व्ड फ्रॉम ज्ञान टू एफिशिएंट मॉडल और ऑटो रिग्रेसर ट्रांसफॉर्मर करके काफ़ी सारे मॉडल्स अवेलेबल हैं जी कि आजकल आपको प्रॉम्प्ट में इमेज बना के दे देते हैं।
राइट,
अगर आप प्रॉम्प्ट में इमेज बनाने जाएंगे और एक ऋतिक रोशन का इमेज बनाने के लिए बोलेंगे तो ChatGPT बहुत अच्छी इमेज बना के देगा कि वो बनाएगा अलग अलग एंगल में, अलग अलग हेयर स्टाइल में, दाढ़ी के साथ दाढ़ी के बिना, है ना, मूंछ के साथ मूंछ के बिना, बाल के साथ बाल के बिना, सारे स्टाइल में। लेकिन रोशन रॉय का नहीं बना पाएगा।
यस यस,
उसके बाद मेरा इमेज ही नहीं है,
डाटा नहीं है।
दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम व्हेन यू हैव वेरी फ्यू इमेजेस। आपके पास बहुत कम इमेज है, कोई चीज़ का अगर वो कुछ अच्छा नहीं बना पाएगा
जी,
लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा इमेज से तो बना पाएगा। तो ये प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिकली कहाँ पे आएगा? चेस्ट एक्सरे में आएगा, है ना। चेस्ट एक्सरे में आपका अच्छा चेस्ट एक्सरे बहुत मिलेगा जी, लेकिन डिसीज़ के साथ चेस्ट एक्सरे बहुत कम मिलेगा, है ना जी। अगर आप एक जनरेटिव मॉडल का बोलेंगे कि चेस्ट एक्सरे बनाओ तो अच्छा चेस्ट एक्सरे बनाने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है जी जी। डिसीज़ वाला उसके पास बहुत कम है। बिल्कुल, ये सीखने हमने एक नया प्रपोज किया है मेट्रिक, इसमें मेट्रिक्स कहते हैं कि एक तरीके का क्लास टेस्ट मान लीजिए एक स्टूडेंट को साल के एंड में क्लास टेस्ट दैट इज मेट्रिक्स। कोई भी न्यूरल नेटवर्क को इवैल्यूएट करने के लिए मेट्रिक यूज करते हैं। हमने क्या किया है, एक क्लास टेस्ट हर हफ्ते में डाल दो। ग्रेट, हर हफ्ते में देख रहे हैं कि ये मेट्रिक कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं और हम स्टूडेंट को बता रहे हैं कि तुम्हें मेट्रिक पढ़ा रहा है। दिस एक्जैक्टली व्हाट यू डन इन न्यूरल नेटवर्क टर्मिनोलॉजी।
Wonderful job, sir. You have done. Nice meeting you. Being an officer, you are doing such a great research. So thank you and wish you all the best.
Many people doing this.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you. Amol Patel. Yes. Thank you. और ये नाइजीरिया के लीडर्स यहाँ पर हैं, नाइजीरिया से आए हुए हैं, और ये सब बाधवानी फाउंडेशन है, हेल्थ सेक्टर, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर, रूरल डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम करती है बाधवानी फाउंडेशन। दिस इज़ एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री, और ये है बायो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, DBT।
Intelligence and industrial manufacturing seems very far away. The impacts are quite similar in reality. First, it's really obvious for defense and intelligence to see how AI can help. What we do is an AI detector to automatically detect and identify objects of military interest on satellite images, on drone videos. So, to give you an example, so an analyst, a military analyst, when he's looking at one satellite image, it takes him 8 hours to analyze this image. So it's a very tedious job and really tiring for the eyes. And thanks to our AI, we bring this down to a couple of minutes for each image. So it's a huge acceleration of the intelligence loop. So you get way more information way more easily. And the impact is to be able to check even if there is a weak signal, so something happening in the globe that you're not aware of. And I think that we know that there are so many hotspots at the moment around the world that it's a lot of site to look at. And for the second use case, which is so non-destructive testing, the goal is to check all the manufactured parts by Safran, because Safran is a very big aerospace manufacturer. So every motor engine that they are building, we are now using AI to analyze all the X-rays and images of these objects.
Geointelligence, and this is Geokrishi, making every farmer intelligence. This is GeoHome, GeoHome. This is GeoShiksha, LinkedIn, Silcher, Amazon, OpenAI. HCL, Reality Reimagined, Snapdragon, Dragon, HCL Software, NASA. Here is the demonstration of different chatbot developed by the Indian talent youth and across from the globe. And these are the multiple chatbot. The global leaders, students, academias has come here, participated here, and they are explaining what they have done it and what are their moral, how they are solving their problem. So a lot of things are here from different institutions, from different foundations. This is the FAST Foundation and these are the people from across the globe gathered here. Reinforcement, learning, silence, empowerment, allowing the rest. A lot of things are there. And this is Vision and AI Lab. और यहीं पर निताई AI इकोसिस्टम ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और हम लोगों ने यहाँ देखा कि पूरी पृथ्वी पे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और उनको प्रपोजल दिए, कोलैबोरेशन किए और निताई AI इकोसिस्टम 120+ कोलैबोरेशंस यहाँ से करेगा और पूरी दुनिया में भारत के लोगों को AI के एरा में आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाने के लिए हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. So join निताई AI इकोसिस्टम and be the part of India AI